ल मैले चाहिँ आज साराको चाहिँ सब इन्जिनियरको एक्जाम दिएको थिएँ र त्यसको हेरौँ है। द रिफ्र्याक्सन करेक्सन भनेको केले भन्दाखेरि पार्सियली इलिमिनेट कर्वेचर करेक्सन। रिफ्र्याक्सन करेक्सनले चाहिँ कर्वेचर करेक्सनलाई पार्सियली इलिमिनेट गर्ने गर्छ। त्यस पछाडि अर्को छ रिफ्र्याक्सन बेन्ड द लाइन अफ साइड डाउनवर्ड एन्ड देयरफोर रिड्युस द इफेक्ट अफ द कर्वेचर इरर। इट डज रिमुभ द कर्वेचर कम्प्लिटली। इट ओन्ली पार्सियल्ली इलिमिनेट द कर्वेचर करेक्सन भनेर एक्सप्लेनेसन छ। त्यस पछाडि छ इरर ड्यु टु द नन भर्टिकालिटी अफ द भर्टिकल एक्सिस अफ द थेरोलाइट भनेको के रहेछ? क्यानट बी इलिमिनेट बाई द एनी मेथड। इरर ड्यु टु द नन भर्टिकालिटी अफ द भर्टिकल एक्सिस अफ थेरोलाइट भनेको क्यानट बी इलिमिनेटेड by any method. When the vertical axis of the therolite is not truly vertical, the error affects the observation in the both phase of the reading. The error cannot be eliminated by repetition or reiteration method alone भनेर भनौँ। अर्को छ विच अफ द बिलो इज नट द एडभान्टेज अफ द प्लेन टेबल सर्वे। प्लेन टेबल सर्वेको चाहिँ के को एडभान्टेज होइन भनेको चाहिँ युज फर द एकुरेट वर्क एकुरेट वर्क गर्नको लागि चाहिँ प्लेन टेबल चाहिँ गरिँदैन। विच अफ द नट द एडभान्टेजहरू लेस कस्टली हुन्छ, फिल्ड बुक इज नट रिक्वायर्ड हुन्छ, ऱ्यापिड मेथड हो, तर युज फर एकुरेट वर्क चाहिँ होइन है त प्लेन टेबल सर्वे भनेको। प्लेन टेबल सर्वे सिम्पल, क्विक एन्ड इकोनोमिकल हो। एन्ड द फिल्ड बुक इट इज जेनरली नट रिक्वायर्ड, हाउएभर इट इज नट सुइटेबल फर द एकुरेट वर्क, सो इट इज नट द एडभान्टेज भन्न सक्यो। अर्को छ द कर्भ युज फर द ड्रइङ लाइन बिट्विन द पोइन्ट अफ द कन्टुर लाइन भनेको द कर्भ युज फर द ड्रइङ लाइन बिट्विन द पोइन्ट अफ द कन्टुर लाइन भनेको चाहिँ फ्रेन्च कर्भ हो। किनभने फ्रेन्च कर्भ आर युज फर द ड्रइङ स्मुथ कर्भ लाइन थ्रु द plotted point in the contour drawing. They help join points and equal elevation smoothly and neatly भन्न सक्यो। त्यस पछाडि द वेट अफ द गुड क्वालिटी अफ द ब्रिक वेन इमर्स इन द वाटर फर द पिरियड अफ 16 आवर्स सुड नट एक्सिड द वेट अफ ड्राई भनेको 15%। द गुड क्वालिटी अफ द ब्रिक सुड नट अब्जर्भ द वाटर मोर देन 15% अफ द ड्राई वेट आफ्टर इमर्सन। हायर एब्जर्सन इन्डिकेट द्याट पोरस एन्ड पुअर क्वालिटी अफ द ब्रिक भन्न सक्यो। एडिसन अफ द पोजालाना अफ द अर्डिनरी पोर्टल्यान्ड सिमेन्ट इन्क्रिज श्रिङ्केज बढाउँछ। पोजालाना रियाक्ट स्लोली विथ द लाइम एन्ड जेनरली इन्क्रिज ड्राइङ श्रिङ्केज अफ द सिमेन्ट। इट रिड्युस द हिट अफ हाइड्रेसन एन्ड permeability rather than increasing them. Pozzolana reacts slowly with the lamp and generally increase drying shrinkage in cement. It reduces heat of hydration and permeability rather than increasing them भनेर भनेको छ। भने चाहिँ के हुँदो रहेछ? The addition of the pozzolana to the ordinary Portland cement increases shrinkage बढाउँछ भनेको छ। अनि हिट अफ हाइड्रेसन र पर्मिएबिलिटी चाहिँ के गर्छ? घटाउँछ भनेर भनेको छ। सोयल सिमेन्ट ब्लक हेल्प्स टु रिड्युसिङ द एमाउन्ट अफ सिमेन्ट। Soil cement block are made by the mixing of soil with a small quantity of the cement. They reduce the overall requirement of the cement compared to the ordinary cement. Base block of the concrete unit भनेर भन्न सक्यो। Which of the following roofing material is most cost effective भनेको छ मेटल नै सबभन्दा कस्ट इफेक्टिभ हुन्छ है। किनभने अस्पाल्ट होइन, प्लास्टिक होइन, रबर होइन। कसरी? मेटल रुफिङ सिट आर कमनली कन्सिडर इकोनोमिकल एन्ड ड्युरेबल फर द मेनी बिल्डिङ वर्क। दे आर लाइट, इजी टु इन्स्टल एन्ड कस्ट इफेक्टिभ कम्पेयर टु द अदर मेटेरियल्स, अदर रुफिङ मेटेरियल्स भन्न सक्यो। त्यो साइड अर्को छ द रेसियो अफ द डिफ्लेक्सन अफ द फ्री इन्ड अफ द क्यान्टिलिभर ड्यु टु द आइसोलेटेड रोड 1/3 टु द 2/3 अफ द स्प्यान भनेको के हुन्छ भने 2/7 हुने रहेछ, 2/7 हुने रहेछ। अब यसको चाहिँ एक्सप्लेनेसनै दिएको छ। क्यान्टिलिभर डिफ्लेक्सन फ्री ड्यु टु डब्लु भनेको डब्लु ए स्क्वायर 3l माइनस a/6ai हुन्छ। अब लोड दिएको छ a1 भनेको l/3, अर्को भनेको 2l/3 छ। अब दुईटाको रेसियो भनेको छ del1/del2 हुन्छ। अनि त्यहाँ बिचको रेसियो गर्दाखेरि 2/7 भनेर भन्न सक्यो। द पोइन्ट अफ कन्ट्याक्ट फ्लेक्चर अफ द पोइन्ट इज वेयर बेन्डिङ मोमेन्ट चेन्ज द साइन भन्यो। द पोइन्ट अफ कन्ट्याक्ट फ्लेक्चर इज द पोइन्ट वेयर बेन्डिङ मोमेन्ट चेन्ज इज साइन फ्रम द पोजिटिभ टु नेगेटिभ अर भाइस वर्सा भयो। इज द पोइन्ट बेन्डिङ मोमेन्ट चाहिँ 0 हुने गर्छ भनेछ। द इल्ड पोइन्ट अफ द टेस्ट पिस द मेटेरियल अन्डरगो द प्लास्टिक डिफर्मेसन। इल्ड पोइन्ट अफ द टेस्ट पिस भनेको द मेटेरियल चाहिँ अन्डरगो द प्लास्टिक डिफर्मेसन भयो। इल्ड पोइन्टमा चाहिँ मेटेरियल स्टार्ट डिफर्मिङ प्लास्टिसिटी आफ्टर द स्टेज डिफर्मेसन इज नो लङ्गर फुल्ली रिकभर इभन आफ्टर द रिमुभर अफ द of the load भयो त्यसपछि छ whenever the some external system of the force act on the body external system को force चाहिँ कुनै पनि बडीमा एक गरे भने it undergo the some deformation as the body undergo the some deformation it set up some resistance to deformation the resistance per unit area of the deformation भनेको चाहिँ stress भयो the resistance stress of the internal resistance offered by the body per unit area against the external load or deformation it is expressed as the force divided by the area by the flow in is that quantity of the liquid flowing per second is constant is called steady the flow in is that quantity of the liquid flowing per second is constant भनेको steady steady भनेको quantity of the liquid flowing per second भनेको steady किनकि steady भनेको when the quantity of the liquid flowing per second remain constant with respect to the time the flow is called steady for it in unsteady flow discharge change with the time भयो 1 po is equal to 0.1 newton second per meter square 1 po is भनेको 0.1 newton second per meter square po is of the CGS unit of the dynamic viscosity 1 po is equal to 0.1 newton second per meter square in SI unit the reciprocal of the Euler number is called Newton number Euler number the reciprocal of the Euler number is known as Newton number in the fluid mechanics this number are used in dimension analysis of the fluid flow problem the discharge in an open channel corresponding to the critical depth भनेको maximum the discharge in an open channel corresponding to the critical depth भनेको maximum हुने गर्छ in open channel for critical depth corresponding to the condition of the minimum specific energy for the given discharge equivalent to the given specific energy discharge is maximum at critical for the consolidation of the soil is defined as the the process of compression by gradual reduction of the pore space under the steady load the process with the gradual decrease of the water content at constant load change in volume of the soil due to the expulsion of the pore water under the applied load भनेर भयो consolidation भनेको compression of the soil under the steady load due to the gradual expulsion of the pore water and reduction of the body space therefore it is all statement related way अब unit bearing capacity of the footing is stand भनेको चाहिँ increase with depth of the footing unit bearing capacity of the footing भनेको depth बढे सँगसँगै के गर्ने गर्छ बढ्ने गर्छ in sand unit bearing capacity generally increases with the depth of the footing because overburden pressure and confining increases greater confinement improve the resistance against the shear failure भन्न चाहिँ सक्यो in consolidation of the saturated sample occur the degree of saturation remain constant consolidation of saturated soil sample the degree of saturation remain constant consolidation of saturated soil मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने degree of saturation भनेको के हुन्छ remain constant हुन्छ during the consolidation of the soil the water is expelled but void remains filled with the water until the process is continued and the degree of saturation remain practically constant by the plasticity characteristics of the clay is due to the absorb water ADS/BD है plasticity characteristics भनेको absorb water ADS/BD किनभने the plasticity of the clay is mainly due to the absorbed water surrounding clay particle this water layer allow the clay particles to slide and show the plastic behavior भनौं the RCC member of the beam submerged under the sea water the cover should be more than the specified value भनेको 40 mm RCC member पनि beam को submerged under the sea water the cover should be more than the specified value 40 mm भयो for the RCC member exposed to the sea water extra cover is provided to protect the steel to the corrosion the cover is generally increased by the amount by 40 mm over the specified value हुन्छ the corner steel is provided in the slab to resist the torsional moment the corner steel is provided to the slab to resist the torsional moment corner steel चाहिँ slabमा provide गरिन्छ अरे to resist the torsional moment भयो corner reinforcement of the slab is provided to resist the torsional moment at the corner it is especially important in the two-way slab where the corner are lift or the twist live load is considered as essential the roof is 150 kg per centimeter live load is considered for the accessible of the roof भनेको 150 kg per centimeter square for the accessible roof live load is considered because people can use the access to the roof the standard value of the question is 150 kg per centimeter square त्यसपछि RCC beam 6 meter span and 30 cm wide and has the lever arm of 55 cm if it carry the UDL of the 12 ton per meter and the allowable stress 5 kg per centimeter छ भने the beam like के हुन्छ need revision of the section भनेको छ disadvantage for the frame structure भनेको span length नै हो a frame structure can provide the long span speed of the economy but span length may become limitation depending upon the member size and the loading hence the span length is treated as a disadvantage here shell structure does not have any bending stress
विच अफ द एडभान्टेज अफ द फ्रेम स्ट्रक्चर भनेको छ एउटा स्प्यान लेन्थ भनेको के भने द फ्रेम स्ट्रक्चर द्याट क्यान प्रोभाइड द लङ स्प्यान स्पिड एन्ड इकोनोमी बट स्प्यान लेन्थ मे बिकम लिमिटेसन डिपेन्डिङ अपन द मेम्बर साइज एन्ड लोडिङ एन्ड स्प्यान लेन्थ इज ट्रिटेड एज अ डिसएडभान्टेज हियर सेल स्ट्रक्चर डज नट ह्याभ एनी बेन्डिङ स्ट्रेस हुँदैन किनभने अ सेल स्ट्रक्चर मेनली रेसिस्ट द लोड थ्रु द मेम्ब्रेन एक्सन आइडियली इट डज नट डेभलप सिग्निफिकेन्ट बेन्डिङ स्ट्रेस विच मेक्स इज इफिसियन्ट फर द कर्भ सर्फेस स्ट्याप फुटिङ इज युज फर द लोड बियरिङ मेसनरी कन्स्ट्रक्सन किन स्ट्याप फुटिङ इज युज बिलो द कन्टिन्युअस लोड बियरिङ मेसनरी वाल सो डिस्ट्रिब्युट अफ द वाल लोड युनिफर्मली टु द सोइल अलोङ द फुल लेन्थ अफ द वाल सिपिआरएफ भनेको कम्बाइन्ड पायल ऱ्याफ्ट फुटिङ कम्बाइन्ड पायल ऱ्याफ्ट फाउन्डेसन CCRF stand for combined pile raft. It combines load sharing action on the raft and pile, especially in the weak or settlement sensitive soil. The water obtained from the spring groundwater. The spring water is the groundwater that is naturally come from out of the ground surface. It generally obtained where the water table increases the ground surface. Bacteria which causes diseases are called the diseases causing by bacteria are pathogenic bacteria since the term is not given none of the above pathogenic bacteria है the pathogenic bacteria the type of the treatment in the coarse screen भनेको preliminary treatment coarse screening is the first stage of the wastewater treatment is remove the large flotation and the suspended material so it is called preliminary primary and preliminary the movement of the water under or around the action built on the permeable foundation भनेको infiltration the movement of the water under and around the structure through the permeable foundation भनेको infiltration हुन्छ which indicate that entry and movement of the water through the soil the field irrigation requirement is completed net irrigation requirement plus field application losses field irrigation requirement is obtained by the adding the field application losses in the net irrigation requirement is represented by the water at the field of the specified crops needed. Satisfied crop needed. The river reach having the tortuosity at 1.2 can be said to have 20% of the tortuosity of the meander. The tortuosity 1.2 means that the actual river length and 1.2 times of the straight length. It indicates that 20% of the tortuosity or the extra length due to the meandering. Multiple arc dam are generally used for the high height को लागि multiple arc dam are generally used for the high height where the several arc transfer where water pressure and buttress they are economically when suitable foundation condition exists. Right of way of Kathmandu ring road भनेको 55 right of way of Kathmandu ring road taken in 55 in the question right of way the total length with reverse for the road and the future expansion warning sign in roadway भनेको B1 the roadway sign classification used where B1 represent the warning sign alert the driver for the possible hazard ahead the road suitable for the slow moving iron wheeled को लागि WBM road are suitable for the slow moving iron wheel traffic because the surface is made of the compacted stone aggregate such road can resist the slow and heavy movement of the reasonable well the opportunity to cross the slow moving traffic and interval is not provided in case of the 4-lane highway the opportunity to cross the slow moving traffic at interval is not suitable in case of the 4-lane highway in 4-lane highway traffic stream are already separated into the two multiple lanes so special opportunity to take the overtake and slow moving traffic interval are not required at the same ways. Estimated electric wiring estimate of the electric wiring that light fan plug point etc is only made in terms of the type of point electrical wiring estimate for the light fan and the plug point are generally prepared based on the different type of point different point have the different rates and the wiring required the brick is not measured in the cubic meter भनेको half brick wall लाई चाहिँ गरिदैन half brick wall is usually measured the square meter मा not cubic meter because its thickness is standard and small thinner brick is measured by volume thicker brick is measured by volume painting coefficient of the grill work भनेको 1 हुन्छ painting coefficient of the grill work भनेको 1 हुन्छ painting coefficient for the grill work is taken as 1 हुन्छ it is given the standard the coefficient used for the concrete the measured area into the equivalent planning area भयो the plinth area of the building does not include the area of the cantilever porch एरिया अफ द क्यान्टिलिभर पोर्चलाई नै हामी के भन्छौँ भन्दाखेरि प्लिन्थ एरिया भनेर भन्छौँ plinth area includes the covered area of the floor level such as walls, shaft and lift area as per rules. Cantilever porch area is not included in plinth area. The fixed stated sum of the penalty paid by the contractor having the definite relationship with the real damage भनेको liquidated damage is the fixed sum agreed the contractor as comparison for the delay or breach. It is reasonable relation which likely to real damage. The contract of the guarantee is the contract which the person performs the promise or discharges the liability of the third party. In the contract of guarantee, one person promises to perform the obligation and the discharge liability, and third party is the party default. This liability related to the third party. The law of contract is law of contractual obligation. Law of contract deals only with the obligation created by the aggregate that are impossible by the law. It is not cover the whole law of obligation. In resource labeling, uniform demand of the resources is achieved. रिसोर्स लेबलिङमा युनिफर्म डिमान्ड अफ द रिसोर्सेस चाहिँ एचिभ हुन्छ. रिसोर्स लेबलिङ एक्जस्ट एक्टिभिटी सुड सो द्याट द रिसोर्स डिमान्ड बिकम मोर युनिफर्म ओभर द project duration. It helps to avoid the excessive peak and shortage of the resources. Railway projects are treated as a heavy construction. Railway projects involve the rails, earthquake, bridge, track, station and heavy equipment. Therefore, they are treated as the heavy construction project. Which of the following landing area for the multi-engine helicopter operation of the IFR condition भनेको 60x120. For the multi-engine helicopter operation under the IFR condition, the landing area size given in this question भनेको 60 meter into x120. IFR operation need larger and shaped landing dimension. Which of the following is not affect the site selection of the airport भनेको number of ground staff. Number of ground staff does not directly control the airport site selection. Factors such as sufficient airspace and air traffic potential are more important for the selecting of the airport site. यसरी हाम्रा 50 वटा क्वेसनहरु सके सब इन्जिनियरकै